Hello and welcome everybody back to this channel. Today we are reacting to the song Dismantled by Icon for Hire, and this was a recommendation from Kitsune Crazy. Thank you very much. Thanks. And yeah, we don't waste more time. Yeah, and in the comment there was told that it's more rock songs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is more rocky. Yeah, this is cool. Oh, the bass. Really cool. Oh, only the drums and the bass. This is such a cool part. Yeah. Now we're going back to the chorus. Oh yeah, the guitar sound is yeah. Now really cool. Really cool. Oh! Oh! I really like this extended chorus part. Yeah. Some electronic parts more in the background. Really cool. Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Such a good voice. Oh. Oh, this ending was so cool. We get into more seconds. Oh, the ending was really cool. I like the bass tone and the bass and drums in the verse. Really cool. That's so that only those two instruments fits with the singing so well. And then we go back to this huge rock chorus. I really like the song. And a little more than the last song I've react to them, but yeah, really cool. I liked it very much. Thanks for the recommendation. And if all of you have some other song recommendations, you can put it down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we see us next time. Bye.